Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a great looking Windows 11 theme just like this on Microsoft Store for completely free. As you can probably see, this looks amazing. Now I will show you some of the other wallpapers that come with this theme. If I right click on my desktop and click on next desktop background, it will show you the images that come with this theme. They look very beautiful compared to the default Windows 11 themes that you get with the default installation. So let me just open up my web browser. I will put this link in the YouTube description for you. It'll give you some instructions on how to get new themes. Now I'm going to scroll down straight away to this link here, explore Windows themes in the Microsoft Store. I'm going to click on it, and when it's prompting you to open Microsoft Store, make sure to click open Microsoft Store. It'll take you directly to your Microsoft Store where the themes are located. You can even open up Microsoft Store directly and come to this area on your own without having to go through your web browser. It is up to you, but I find the link much easier because it directly takes you here. So once you're here, you will be able to see the available themes for you. Now bear in mind that not all of these themes are built or developed by Microsoft. Some of them are actually built by third-party developers. Let me just click on a couple of these themes and I will show you what I mean by that. So if I were to click on this theme, it is called World of Warships official theme, and it is, if I were to scroll down, you will see that it is developed by Wargaming Group Limited. So just come in here and read a little bit of information before you download a theme. You will be able to read the ratings and reviews as well and get an idea of how it's gonna work or how it's gonna look like. So while we're here, let me just click on apply theme. Now what is this going to do is this is going to download the theme to your local computer. So let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so the theme has been downloaded to my local computer. So I'm just going to close off my Microsoft Store and I'm going to close off my web browser as well. So let me just right click and click on Personalize again. And after you have come to personalization window, click on themes. In here, you will be able to see all the downloaded themes. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the new theme that we just downloaded. And I'm going to close off this window and voila. As you can see, it looks stunning. And if you were to right click on it and click on next desktop background, you will be able to change through these wallpapers according to your taste. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and have a good day.